Hello YouTubers, Matthew here. Yep, I did get my shifter. For those of you who have been following Eric Car Guy forums, in which I posted this on, he said I already had it mounted. But I took it off here. As you can see, I've already prepped the thing. You have to remove the plastic thing in which triggers it with the factory shifter. No, that's not it. I'm not sure where it is right now. We have to unscrew the white thing. You guys saw it. And what it is, comes with an Allen wrench and has 3 set screws. One there, and one there. What you do is you just slide it on like this. You slide it on like that, and let's say I already did the process of putting in the set screws. So those are already in there. What you do is you put this on. You take this. Down here, I'm just trying to set this on the console so you guys can see me here. Okay. Hopefully that will stay still for you guys. Now what you do here is you grab on. You can see the set holes here. What you do is you stick this in. You just turn. Oh, sorry, got my arm in the way there. That's one. Over here is 2. You just turn them in slowly. And then right here there's 3. Now what you do is you simply just turn on until, see how it's tight now? You just keep doing this until none of them turn anymore. Now with that set, as you can see, can't move the button. Now what you can look at here is, I'll show you guys. Start the car up, push the brake, it must not be in right. The button's not pushing. Hold on a second. See, I didn't have this trouble when I installed it previously. So, do give me a second here. While I go through this. In an attempt to fix it. So, yeah, do give me a second here. Let's see here. There we go. Now the button works. So let me just retighten. All 3 screws. Can't see the one back here because of its angle, but as you can see,